everybody, and welcome to my stretch, strengthen, and repair class. So my name is Cindy Heen, and I have been teaching dance and dancing for many years now. For this class, you will need a TheraBand. If you don't have one, that's okay. A tennis ball and a block. So let's begin. Get your mat all set up. Just going back a little bit so you can see. All right, so the first thing we're going to start with is with the tennis ball. We're going to do 1 minute for each leg. So you're going to massage all the tight parts. Getting in your calf, releasing your calf muscle. This class is made for dancers and it's therapeutic. So it should allow your muscles to relax, also give a little healing energy. Make sure you're not holding your breath, just relax. In the foot. You can also get your hip area. You want to get the juicy parts of your muscle. Put pressure on certain areas. And then you get your hamstring. Quadricep. Let's switch to the other leg. So getting into the foot area. Your calf muscle. Letting it just feel real good. Releasing any tension you might have in the muscle, making sure you're breathing. Hamstring. And let's say if your calf is super tight, just keep it at your calf so you don't have to move all over. Quadricep. Put it on the meaty part of your gluteus maximus. Good. All right, awesome dancers. And from here, we're going to take a couple breaths in. So I just want you to take a nice big inhale and exhale. Take another big breath in and exhale. These next 3 breaths, I want you to inhale the good, positive energy, and you let go of the negative things that you can't control. One more time, big breath in and exhale. Last breath, inhale, bringing in the positive energy, exhale. And we're just gonna take a little child's pose here. A few more breaths, inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And here we're going to do some cat and cow. Inhale and exhale. And inhale and exhale. And now you can add some circles in your hips and your head. And then you feel good in reverse. And we're taking inhale to our downward dog. Feeling a nice stretch. You can pedal those feet, right and left. Making sure you're breathing. Come to your plank. Lower down. 4, 3, 2, 1. And find your cobra pose. If you're ready, you can push all the way up. Coming back down, walking back into your downward dog. Walk your feet up. Touching the floor. Bend your knees. Let your chest rest on your thighs here. Release your head. Grab your elbows. And then move side to side. Good. And straighten those legs. Bend the right leg. The left leg. Roll up slow 4. 3, 2, 1. All right, dancers, so we're gonna come onto our back here, and we're gonna grab our TheraBand, and we're going to put the TheraBand on top of your foot. If you don't have one, you can just grab the back of your calf as well. And from here, you're gonna straighten that leg. Your left leg will be straight, your right leg is up in the air. You're just gonna pull. Just do a nice little stretch. Again, making sure you're breathing, relaxing. Good, and now you're gonna bend the knee and straighten. From here, you're gonna point the toe, flex the foot, and pull. We're gonna do this 3 more times. Bend the knee, relaxing your hip, relaxing your whole body. Straighten the leg, pull, point the toe, flex the toe, pull. Again, and bend the knee, and straighten, point the toe, flex the foot. Last time, bend the knee, and straighten, point the toe, flex the toe, and last pull. From here, point that foot. You're going to lower down. From here, pull the knee into the chest. Massage the hip socket. Drop your leg over to the left. Look to the right. Releasing your lower back. Connecting to your breath. Inhale. Letting the positive energy flow through your body. Letting go of anything that isn't serving you. Good. From here, cross that leg. Pull the left knee to your chest. You really feel a nice deep stretch in the right hip. Making sure you're breathing. Drop your legs over to the left and look to the right. Feel that release in your lower back. Nice deep stretch in the right side. Going back to the middle. Massage your hip socket one more time. And lower the leg. We will now do the left side. The TheraBand around the ball of your foot. Again, if you don't have a TheraBand, just grab your calf. And from here, just relaxing, breathing, pulling that leg to your chest. Nice big breath in. And now bend the knee, flex the foot, and straighten the leg, pull. And now point, and flex the foot, pull. Again, inhale, bend the knee. 3 more of these. Straighten, point the toe, flex the toe, pull. 2 more. Bend the knee, inhale. Exhale, straighten, point the toe, flex the toe, pull. Last one. Bend the knee, straighten, point the toe, flex the toe, pull. Good. From here, pull that leg to your chest. You're going to let it drop over to the right. Look to the left. Breathing, relaxing, connecting to your body and your breath. Now you're going to pull the leg into the chest, crisscross it. So the left is on top of the right. Pulling it to your belly button. Nice big breath in and let your legs drop to the right, look to the left. Finding that release. Good. From here, here, pull that leg knee into your chest. Good, and let that go. From here, we're gonna do some bridges. So, feet right below your hips, knees open. And I want you to feel your hips and your lower rib, and you're gonna engage your core, hollow out your abs, and you're gonna lift up. And lower down. And again, engage your front part of your abs. Nice big breath in. Exhale up. Inhale lower. And exhale up. Inhale lower. Really engaging your glutes. Exhale up. Inhale lower. 2 more. Exhale up. Inhale lower. Last one. Up. Good. Alright, from here, we're going to come up. Grab your legs. Open up. We'll do a quick child's pose here. Let this feel good. Open up those hips. Almost like a ground play a second. Alright, we're going to come up now. So if you have your block, we're going to do a little stretch here. Put your block like this. You're going to put your feet onto your block. And you're going to stretch forward. Nice and easy. Nice big breath in. Stretching. See, making sure I am on camera here. Yes. Give a few more minutes. I'm trying to just stick to the 15 minutes for this exercise. It's my first video that I'm making. So don't mind my imperfections. We're going to learn as we go. So we're going to hold this stretch here. Nice big breath in. If you want to put a little pressure on, you can. You put a little pressure on your knees. If you feel like you don't need the block, you can totally not use the block. Relaxing, folding over. Good. From here now we're going to put the block here, heels on your block, and you're going to do a nice little stretch over. Again, you don't have to use the block if you don't want. Nice big breath in. Relaxing, feeling your stretch. Good. And coming down. So from here, we're just going to do a little bit of foot exercises. I'll face you this way. So we're just going to do some toe swapping, toe, all their 4 toes. This might be a little bit challenging. You can try to use your fingers, thumb, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Strengthen your ankle. 8, 9, 10. 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And now from here we're going to just cup the legs. 21. Long toes. 2, 3, 4, 5. Cup the feet. 6, 7. Strengthening your arches. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And last little stretch we'll do today before I end my videos, we're going to lie on our stomachs. We're going to get our quadricep muscles in here. You're going to lay flat, pull this leg to your glute. Feeling a nice deep stretch in your quadricep. And we'll do the other side. Good. And we'll come back to our child's pose. Taking a couple more breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Good. And if you have time, you can sit into your right and left splits. You have to go. I wish you an amazing, if it's morning, day, or night. Good. And we'll hit our center split. Just feeling a nice stretch here. And left split. All right, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time for my next video.